Nifty Thrifty Girl here, featuring the second Kenmore of the day. This is a regular flatbed machine. The last machine that I featured today was a convertible. This is just your flatbed machine. It's a model 1422. It has the classic 17-inch square Kenmore deck, so it needs to be used on a tabletop or put in a Kenmore cabinet or carrying case. It will not fit your classic Singer cabinets or the universal cases with the rounded edges. It's a 1.2 amp machine. It's all metal and it's very heavy. It's a low shank machine that uses standard class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles up to size 18. It's double needle capable. It has feed dog drop, light, your bobbin winders up here on the top. This is your pattern access. It does have regular and stretch stitch as well as buttonholer. This is your stitch width on the outside. On the inside, you flip it back and forth to access your regular or your stretch stitch. This is your stitch length on the bottom, and this is your reverse. It comes with some bobbins and a PDF copy of a manual, either for this model or a similar model. I'm not exactly sure what I have. Sometimes the number's different, but the machine will be exactly the same inside. So you will get some sort of manual with this machine via email after purchase. I'm going to sew here just like all of our other machines. This one is serviced and ready to go. Like I said, she has a 1.2 amp. She is one of the heavier models. Some models are lightweight and aluminum. This is not one of them. She's pretty hefty. There's your straight stitch, and we change over here to zigzag. Pedal's a little touchy, but when you get used to it, you can control it easy enough. And I'm doing it barefooted standing up too, so it's different when you're sitting down and you have a little bit more of a control than just standing. Let's switch over to multi-point zigzag. Bobbin's a little noisy. That's what you're hearing. Nothing wrong with it. It's just a little noisy for some reason. Got my thread caught. Nice multi-point zigzag. I'm going to change out the bobbin case, just see if that makes a difference. Put another bobbin case in here. I have a couple here. Singer. Let's see if this one works. Popped right in. Let's hope that's a good sign. See, I try to work out all these little kinks before I send you the machine. I'm trying to see if maybe another bobbin case will make it a little bit quieter. So now I'm going to bring up my bobbin thread again, because we reloaded the bobbin. Oh, now that one doesn't want to move at all. That's because it's all wrapped around everything. Funkmeister. Wow. This just hasn't been my day. Okay, let's get it loaded again. Back in there. Put it right in. Bring up bobbin thread again. There we go. Pull it out this fine. Alright, let's see what happens now. A little bit quieter. It's just been the fit of that other bobbin case, so now it's going to get noisy again. Obviously the hook is going to be noisy. Let's go into a stretch stitch here. course, if you put this down in a case or a cabinet, it's not going to be near as loud. You can see the machine's going just fine. Just the hook and race mechanism is a little loud for some reason. Stretch stitch, nice. Nice pine, what do you call that? Feather. That's a feather stitch. This is a Levi's, well, it's not Levi's, but it's real denim. It's a jeans pocket folded in half with the seams left on it. So when we're sewing over these seams, we're going to have like major layers. Using a size 16 needle, this machine will use up to an 18. Let's see. This is a nice heavy-duty machine, especially if you have some thicker work. We'll go right over the seam. Of course, I'm not going to force it. Kind of went in the corner there on that one, which is tough. We'll go again from this direction. And up over the seam. Of course, you never want to rush it and break your needle no matter what. And we'll go one more time. And there is what the 1422 will do with denim. That is the Kenmore model 1422.